This AI is not just being used to diagnose PTSD, but also to determine which soldiers are most likely to be at risk of developing it. And once that data is collected, it's being shared with military commanders who can use it to decide which soldiers should receive additional training or support. The problem is, we don't even know how widespread this practice is yet. While some reports suggest that the Pentagon has been using AI-powered tools to identify at-risk soldiers since 2017, there's still no concrete evidence of just how many soldiers are being targeted. What's even more concerning is that this trend could be the beginning of a much larger problem, one where AI begins to replace human judgment in military decision-making altogether. And once we start down that path, it's unlikely that we'll ever be able to turn back. The future of warfare is looking less and less like the traditional battlefield we've seen in movies and more like a futuristic game of chess, where the stakes are higher than ever before, but also the unpredictability. Can we really trust an AI to make life-or-death decisions? Or will we find ourselves staring into the abyss, wondering if our soldiers are even human anymore? The answer is far from clear, but one thing's for sure, the AI revolution is coming for our soldiers, and it's going to change everything.